What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be kind of like a full day of my life. So to get this video started out, we packaged pretty much all of the stuff we sold off of Bobby's car. We sold every single aftermarket part off that car already. So all that's left is to just sell the car itself, and then whenever she sells that, we'll be looking for a good deal on like an STI or an Evo, as we discussed in the previous video you saw of her Genesis. In the meantime, she'll probably be just driving my truck or one of the Evos. The Abandoned Evo should be done hopefully pretty soon. That's kind of what this video is going to be about, is what the hell is going on with that car. So actually, before we go and drop off all of these orders, let's head down to the Abandoned Evo and kind of talk about what's going on with that car. Alright guys, so long story short, I've been waiting on getting the motor parts back to build a motor for this car. There's a machine shop in Spokane here locally that usually does all of my stuff, and they've been kind of slacking recently. A lot of the stuff I bring them isn't done properly, or they just take forever. This motor got dropped off there. The block and the head got dropped off there about a week ago. I went there this morning to check in on it, and they said it'd be another 2 weeks before that stuff is done. Obviously that's not okay. So 3 weeks to just bore a block and go through head, I think that's kind of extensive. So I called around to a bunch of other places, other machine shops here in Spokane, trying to find a new shop to go to, and I think I found a pretty solid place. They have really good reviews. I've always heard good things about them in the past, and they said if I drop their stuff off there today, they should be able to get it done by the weekend. Today is currently Wednesday. You're probably watching this Thursday, so it should be done by the weekend. We can get the motor back, start assembling it. And the reason I wanted to get the motor in this car done first before my other Evo 10, because I feel like this car is going to be missing quite a few parts. So I'm going to steal all the parts off my other Evo 10 that this car is missing, write a big long list, go online, order all those parts that I stole from my other Evo 10 for this car. So yeah, it's kind of confusing. I'm like using my other car as a parts car right now, which kind of sucks, but it's all good. It'll all work out in the end. So that is what we're going to be doing right now, guys. And then one more thing, I do need to go drop this hood off, FQ400 hood and the Vars bumper off to get repainted. These are going in my other car, so I need to get them painted, get them on my other car, and then steal the hood and the front bumper from my other Evo 10, put it on this car. So pretty much this car is going 100% back to stock. And I think I'm going to discuss with the painter as well, see if he can fill these holes in the fenders right here, because I think he said something about paint matching them anyway. So I need to send him over some photos of these parts real quick, and then yeah, drop these off as well someday when I don't have a full truck. All right, with all that being said, let's head into town, drop off all these packages for Bobby, and then go get my motor from the old machine shop, bring it to the new machine shop, and see what they have to say about it. Appreciate it. Crank should just need a polish. Hot tank on valve covers. Sure. And then heads I just want gone through. I don't know if you guys do valve seals and all that shit.
Clean check the mill and valve seals?
They said it should be boreable. Cylinder 4 is a little rough. That should be okay. I got 86.5 mil pistons here, and this is 86 mil bore. Alright, so we got all the parts dropped off. It may be a little bit longer than I originally expected, but I did drop off a lot more parts than I said I was going to when I called them. So I'm hoping for about a week turnaround time, hopefully no longer than that. In the meantime, I guess we can pull the car in the shop and start peeling off some plastic dip and just do other little random things on this abandoned car, because quite frankly it still does need quite a bit of work other than just a motor put in it. I do have a really good feeling about this new machine shop though. I think they're gonna do really good work. I guess we're just gonna have to wait around and see. If they do good work, I'll definitely let you guys in on who it is. But if they do bad work, I am usually not one to like, you know, bash on bad companies, but I definitely will promote like a good company, if that makes sense. All right, guys, so we are back home, back in the Evo 8. Before I get working again on the Abandoned Evo 10, I need to kind of redirect my focus back to the Evo, and I feel like I keep going back and forth Evo 10 to Evo 8. Tomorrow we'll be working on the FRS, but right now I need to get a few things done on this 8. So when we did the last pull on this car, I noticed the AFRs were a bit lean, and the tuner noticed that of course as well. He told me to check the fuel pressure regulator vacuum hose. I did notice my gas level is pretty low. It's below quarter. I'm gonna go fill up right now just to make sure we get that out of the way. And then we keep having a little boost issue as well. So I am actually going to be finally, I don't know why I haven't yet or I haven't bought one, but I'm gonna be building a boost leak tester. Basically it's you can grab like a PVC end cap, put a little like tire Schrader valve on it, and then just a coupler, you connect right to your turbo, and you can put air in there and make sure you don't have any leaks anywhere. And guess what? I opened the hood and check this out. So we definitely need to get a zip tie back on that hose. When it gets warm, it gets like very flexible, I guess, and pops off super easy. So we gotta get that thing zip tied. But yeah, let's run in right now, grab these parts we need for the boost, or like the pressure tester, and we can come back home, do some testing, and get back to tuning this beast of a car. Shit, this thing's gonna be fast. I can already feel it. You can just hear it. Oof. So good. We got the goods. I got this, just a regular tire valve to put air into a tire, just bolts onto your wheel. It's the bolt-on kind though, not like the slip-on kind. And then a 3-inch PVC pipe cap. This, I believe, I want to say my turbo is 3-inch inlet. I really, really hope it is, or else I'll probably have to buy a 2.5. But I'm 99% sure it's a 3-inch. Pretty much what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna pull off the intake, put this right onto the turbo, throw air in there, and just make sure we don't have any leaks anywhere, like vacuum lines, intercooler piping, all that stuff. With this, you'll be able to hear all those leaks if there are already. If there's not, we should be good to go. Obviously, send over a new data log because the last one I sent over was complete trash. Yeah, let's get after it. My car just died. No. When this thing dies, it's such a pain in the ass to start. And I don't know why it died. Come on, bitch. Gotta get those hot starts figured out. There we go. All right, let's get after it. We got the fuel pressure regulator vacuum hose zip tied on. I did that one pull and it actually popped back off. So I got that all zip tied up. Checked the whole system for any boost leaks and I didn't see anything there. Let's go do one more data log, send it over and see what he has to say. Shit, that was a 23 psi pull. AFRs were spot on, as you guys saw. Actually, I think they were spot on. It's hard to hold the laptop, hold the camera, and do a third gear wide open throttle pull on a fast ass Evo. But I'm pretty sure they were good. I'll look at the footage. I'll send this dialogue over to More Automotive. God damn, that thing was fast though. Holy shit. That felt really, really nice. I'm excited for that. Yeah, I'm gonna go send this over, wait for More Automotive to get back to me, and go from there. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today right here, guys. I'm starving, I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm exhausted, but I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful for a fast Evo, as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next vlog.